Reading DEX screener charts involves understanding key metrics and visual data to make informed trading decisions. Here's a breakdown of how to interpret the charts. Access DEX screener. Visit DEX screener and connect your wallet to view charts and trading data. Select the token. Search for the token you want to analyze using the search bar or by browsing through different networks. Chart layout. Price chart. Display the token's price movement over time. Time frames. You can adjust the time frames to view daily, weekly, monthly, or custom time periods. Key metrics. Volume indicates the trading activity for the selected token pair. Liquidity displays how much of a token is available for buying or selling. Depth chart shows buy and sell orders at different price levels, helping to visualize market sentiment. Order book displays real-time buy and sell orders, allowing you to gauge market depth. Technical indicators. DEX screener provides various technical indicators like moving averages, relative strength index, and Bollinger Bands to help predict future price movements. Interpreting data. A rising price with high volume suggests bullish momentum, while declining prices with low volume might indicate a bearish trend. Look for patterns such as support and resistance levels, trend lines, and volume spikes to make trading decisions.